say the word family, what pops into your head? Probably a family with a father, a mother, their children, and maybe a cute little dog. But what if I burst your bubble and say that this can be a happy family, this can be a happy family, even this can be a happy family? As a wise person once said, all families are unique, but they all have one thing in common: love. Hey everyone, I'm Ira Sahi of 7th grade. The concept of family has certainly changed in society over the last few decades. I think for the better. Statistics continue to show that more marriages are ending in divorce and homosexual marriages are getting more common. But there are still some people who believe otherwise. And I have been fortunate enough to meet these enlightened souls. I used to have a regular life, but a few years ago, my life took a 180-degree turn. My parents separated. Honestly, at the time, I couldn't believe it. And the icing on the cake for me was that my father, who I thought was my superhero, actually became the villain of my life. But through it all, my mother was the rock of Gibraltar for my brother and I. After some time, we moved to be with my maternal grandparents for a fresh beginning. With my grandparents, mother, and brother by my side, I had mixed feelings about this new adventure. When we finally settled in a little bit, many of those enlightened people started judging us and asking my brother and I, where was our father? At the time, we made excuses about it and avoided such questions because honestly, we were all a little embarrassed. But now we are all confident and emotionally in a much better place where we can cherish our perfectly imperfect family. Now I experience the love and support a true family provides every single day. It's high time our society accepts the fact that in the recipe for a perfect family, the most essential ingredients are love and support for each other. Thank you.